Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do a 100 LeetCode challenge. Today, we have contain duplicate. And this LeetCode question is one of the easiest one I have ever done. And let's make it short today. Given an array of integers, find if the array contains any duplicates. Your function should return true if any values appear at least twice in an array, and it should return false if every element is distinct. So that means we have array of integer, and if they have a duplicate in here, if it's one is duplicate, so we return true. If we doesn't have any duplicate in array, so we return false. Example 3, we have a lot of duplicate. 1 is duplicate, 3 is duplicate. Also 4 and 2 are duplicates. So we return true. How to start this one? Firstly, we have to sort this array. After sorting it, the duplicate will have it next to each other. So for us to easily find the duplicate, we basically looping from the first index, the second numbers to check if the second number is equal to the previous one. So to keep looping to the end of the array. If the second number is the same as the first number, so they found a duplicate, then you return true. Otherwise, you loop through the whole entire array and you found no duplicate, then you return false. So let's code it. Firstly, you sort it using the built-in function. After sorting it, so we're looping, starting from the second number of the array to the end of the array. So now we add the second number. So we check if numbers I, second number, is equal to the previous number, I minus 1. If that's the case, we'll return true. We found a duplicate, so return true. So after looping all the number, we don't find it, just purely return false for this question. So that's it for this question. Let's see. Yeah, the test is good. Yeah, it run really good. It's 99% type. So that's it for this question. So if you have any questions, please comment it below and I will get to as soon as possible. So all right, then see you next video. Bye.